Good afternoon to Rural Living with Paul and Gwen, Skittles, and Toni. I'm keeping an eye on them, see that he doesn't think Toni's supper, but he's an old cat. He's pretty set in his ways. Just get fat and eat and sleep. He's a good cat. So I let him up about 10 minutes a day. He's an inside cat. But because he's older, I'm giving him a bit of leeway. There was some car just flying by here. And I think Toni's had it. Normally she does, she just heads back to the hut. Hey Toni, where are you going? Toni, have you had it? Hey, what's going on? Yeah, you pretty much done? Skittles is jealous because Toni's a pet. She stopped laying eggs 2 weeks ago, so she's just a pet. Just eat, sleep, and go to the bathroom. But that's okay. Well, I guess Skittles is thirsty. Never seen him do that before. It's okay, it's fresh rainwater. That won't hurt him. Okay, I'm pretty much, I'm going to get back to my beer over there, and it's beautiful out. I've got my shirt off. I'm not going to show you, it's not a pretty picture, but it's quite warm out. So I did pick up 2 other chickens a couple days ago. I'll include them in the next video, but I have to see if they're going to get along with this one. So it's a process, and they're a bit bigger. So I'll keep you posted. You gonna say goodbye, Toni? What? Yeah, okay. She said goodbye. So we'll talk to you folks later. Have a good day. Oh, I gotta fix that flag. Goodbye.